Hello everybody, welcome to Billy's TV. Today I have an iPhone 6s Plus with no power. I will tell you a very simple and easy trick that how you can start working on a no power device. So let's first of all put your meter on the continuity or a diode mode. Put on a continuity mode, not a diode mode. So that's the black probe goes to the ground and the red probe goes to the positive terminal. So the resistance here is about 1.116, 1.120. So that's okay. If it is 1 point something, that means your board is not short circuit. Okay, so the first thing we know that obviously the board is not short circuit. Now let's see if the TriStar is okay. So how we test the TriStar? That's a very simple check. So I've installed the motherboard back to the housing, connected the charging port without connecting the battery. Insert the charging cable in. Put the meter on 20 DC. Again, the black probe goes to the ground and the red probe goes to the positive side of the battery terminal. Right, so it shows here 0.53 volts. So that is a simple basic check of TriStar not working. If TriStar would be working, it should have shown 3.75 volts without battery connected on the battery terminal when you plug the charger in. So now we will replace the TriStar and see how it goes. This is the TriStar. Looks like someone else tried to heat it up a little bit. After you remove the TriStar, clean the pads using soldering wick. Yeah, all nice and clean. Right, let me get a TriStar. Right guys, so this is the motherboard I've installed TriStar. As you can see, the battery, the charger is connected and the battery is not connected, and
Now to see if the phone has been fixed or not, I will put the black probe on the ground here and the red probe on the positive side of the battery terminal, and you can see the volts 3.78 volts showing on the battery terminal. Plus it should also show 4.25 volts on VCC main line. So let's conclude the whole process. You got a no power iPhone 6 up to iPhone 7 Plus motherboard. First thing, try to see if the board is short. If it's not short circuit, if it is not short circuit, connect the charger without battery and check the voltage on the battery terminal. If it says 3.75, that means your TriStar is okay, the problem is somewhere else. If it does not show you the voltage on the PP battery VCC or VCC main, then it is 100% TriStar issue. In iPhone 7 and 7 Pluses, there is another a common fault, that it does show the volts on VCC main 4.25 when you connect the charger without battery, but it does not show the voltage on the battery VCC. That problem is normally caused by a short circuit on 1.8 SD RAM. So I hope you liked the video. Share with other people for knowledge, and do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.